Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. Okay, so here in this video, as we all know that as the technology grows day by day, so we will use the cashless economy. Okay, so for that we are using the many e-wallets at all that plays a vital role in making that economy. Okay, so here in this video I will be telling you about the digital wallets. Okay, that e-wallets are used for the online transactions. Okay, we can transact the money, we can sign the money, we can purchase something online. Okay, so for that we will use the e-wallet. Today e-wallets can perform number of tasks. We will submit the online bill, we can perform the online shopping task, we can do the billing payment at all, we can online book anything, and we can do the payment by using that e-wallets. Okay, so for further knowledge of that work of e-wallets, we will moving towards our video. Okay, here this one is our first topic, that what is e-wallets and what are the e-wallets. Okay, so moving towards our topic, the first question is what e-wallets are. So exactly we will learn its meaning. An electronic wallet is any device or it's a kind of software. It can be anything, okay, which allows a user to store, manipulate, and pay with various types of payment instruments, such as the electronic cash, credit cards, and debit cards, okay. Most e-wallets are the software's program that runs on the user's personal computer, cell phones, and the PDAs, that is the personal digital assistants. E-wallet is a digital wallet, refers to an electronic device or online service that allows an individual to make the electronic transaction. Means, as we all know that now our economy becomes the digital. Okay, you can say it the cashless economy. So for that we have number of things. So here first come we move to our topic, that is the e-wallet. So what are the e-wallets? We can say it's a kind of device or it's a type of software that allows the user to do the electronic transactions. Means user can transfer the funds online, they can deposit the money in anyone's account, they can transfer the money, they can pay the bill. Number of things that can be performed by the user can be done online by using the e-wallet services. Okay, so now what are the security features? So first, your information is protected with a password that you choose. Then when you stop at an internal store, that site will prompt you to select a payment method from your wallet and to authorize this by typing your password. Or we will also set a pin for our e-wallet. Means for the security purposes, if our information is protected with a password. Here the things that comes first come with the security purposes, we can secure our e-wallet with the pin or the password. Okay, that you shop at the internet store, means we can log in any site and we can shop the things that we required, and it will redirect us to a prompt. We can also say it the gateway through which the payment method from your wallet and to authorizes by the typing password. So when we do online shopping from any particular site and the things come to the payment, then it will redirect to us a payment gateway that allows the user to enter the pin, the password, and then it transact your money in that personal or in that vendor's account. Okay, so for the security purpose, the e-wallets are much more secure. Yeah, the advantages and disadvantages of your e-wallets means, as we all know that a coin has two sides and each things has the pros and cons. So here some advantages of your e-wallets are: number one, the e-wallet makes online shopping easier because it fills in the fields in an online order form automatically, saving you to the trouble of doing it yourself. Means e-wallet makes online shopping easier. Means we can do, as we all know that about the e-commerce, we can do the online shopping. It makes the online shopping very easier because it fills in the fields of an online order. If the person wants to purchase anything online, then they can automatically purchase the things and pay the online. Okay, it is also great advantages for the online merchants because customers sometimes abandon online purchases if they feel that the orders from is too confusing or the frustrating. It's also good for the vendor that the cash on delivery as well as the before delivery options, both are available. If the vendor got a little confusion or sometimes the user abandoned for that online purchase, then they can use this method for relieving from the confusing and the frustrating. Okay, now here you can see some significance of your e-wallet that are accessibility, cashless, efficient, cashback, free transfers, convenience, secured and organized. These all are the features that significance during we can perform the online transactions with our e-wallets. Okay, we can get the cashbacks options. It is very efficient way. It can be provide the convenience facilities to the user. It is much more secure. The data can be organized in a particular manner. It allows the free transfers, accessibility also. Now here types of e-wallets are number first that the buddy, SBI buddy, state bank buddy shall means mobile wallet services of the bank can include the service over the application, because these service can be provided by the SBI to their customers. It was launched on 18 August 2015. SBI buddy launched by the Arun Jaitley. Okay, then state bank buddy, it's a mobile wallet available in 13 different languages. It allows that the freedom to send money to anyone, paying the bills for the recharge purposes for the DTH, flight and bus ticket, hotel and restaurant book. We can also done by using this eBuddy wallet. Okay. Now, the next wallet is MobiKwik. MobiKwik is India's most convenient mobile wallet, an online payment system for shopping, mobile recharge, DTH recharge, money transfer and bill payment. Means by using the MobiKwik, it is much more convenient way through which we can do the online shopping, mobile recharge, DTH recharge, money transfer and the bill payment. Okay. Bipin Preet Singh, Upasna Taku is the founder of the MobiKwik. It was launched in 2019. 25 million users across the country uses the MobiKwik e-wallet app. Company is headquartered in Gurgaon, means the headquarter of that MobiKwik is in Gurgaon. Parent one MobiKwik System Private Limited. The next e-wallet is Paytm. Founder of that Paytm is Vijay Sharma. That was launched on 2010, owned by 197 Communications. The company's headquarter is in Noida. Paytm entered India's e-commerce market in 2014. Focuses on the mobile and DTH recharge. Now, here Paytm Mall, that a facility that allows the user to purchase the thing online. It can also be started known as the e-commerce market in 2014. Basically, it's focused on the bill payment, mobile and recharge and DTH recharge services. It gradually provided recharging and the bill payment of the various portals, including the electricity bill, gas bills, as well as the telephone bills, and now Paytm Mall. The next is FreeCharge. It was launched on August 2010. The founder of the FreeCharge services is Kunal Shah. The headquarters of this FreeCharge is the Mumbai. Present owner Snapdeal. Provide online facility to recharge any mobile phone. The amount paid by the user for the recharge is returned in the form of shopping coupons of some of the top retailer in India, thereby making the recharge virtually free. Means if we do any purchase and if we do any recharge by using the FreeCharge wallet, then it will return that amount in the form of the shopping coupons that can be top retailer or top branded companies from the India, thereby it making the recharge virtually free. Now, the things come to the QR codes. It playing the retailer with the QR scanner, paying the retailer without QR scanner, paying individuals. Means we have number of options. If we are unable to do the payment, then we can also have one option, that is the QR code. The person can pay to the retailer by scanning the QR code or by paying the without QR code scanning. Nowadays that UBI IDs are also is in trends. I hope you all are clear with all the contents. Apart of this, we are having more other e-wallet services, that is your Google Pay, MobiKwik, and number of services are here which is used as a e. So that's all about today's video presentation slide. In my next video, I'm going to discuss with you all that the uses of e-wallet means where we can use our e-wallet services, okay, and what are the use of that. So I have also shared a PDF along with this video. You can do the work in your notebook and send it to me. If you are having any issue related to the video and related to the anything, then you can ask me, you can call me, drop a message in the WhatsApp, okay, or Dropbox. Thank you.